I hope all you will enjoy this class today. Okay. Okay, previous day already your ma'am started a lesson that was my home. Okay, good morning everybody. How many are there? So many students. Okay, 3. Okay, now today before writing anything, we just do one oral conversation class today. That means a practice class today at first. Okay, this is my home lesson. You will do today. Class will be my home. Okay, we at first do some oral activities now. Thereafter, we will do some writing part. Ready? Okay. Now you will, whatever the answer, you will write down in chat box. When I'll tell you to write anything, you will just take the snap and send me on chat box. Okay? So, now I'll ask you one question. I'll start now here. You will give me the answer. I'll give you some fill in the blanks verbally. Now you will give me the answer. We live in a dash. We live in a dash. What will be the answer? Yes, now write down in chat box the spelling house. Okay? Okay, very good. So, house, very good. We live in a house with our dash. With our dash. Fill in the blanks. With our. Who is Aradhya? Okay. Now give me the answer. We live in a house with our dash. Yes, correct answer. This is family. Very good. Now write down the family spelling. Okay. Okay, good morning, Devdeep. Yes, Rishan now family. Devdeep, write down the spelling family. Now you will give me one answer that there are dash type of houses. There are how many types of houses? Yes, how many type? Count and tell me how many types of houses. Yes, kacha house and pakka house. Then how many? 1, 2. Kacha house, pakka house. Then how many type of houses? Yes, 2 types of houses. Very good. So now you will give me the answer. I'll give the question to you. Some houses are made up of mud, straw, dash and dash. They are called kacha houses. Some houses made up of mud, straw, dash, dash. They are called kacha houses. Yes. Yes, they are kacha house. Very good. Some houses are made up of mud, straw, bamboo, leaves and dry grasses. They are called kacha house. So, thereafter, house protects from us. House protects us from, yes, bolo, tell me. Yes, cold, rain, dust. Very good. And also heat and animals and thieves. Very good. Now I'll give a work to you. Okay, you will just at first write down classwork date. Okay, write down here. Take your copy, write down classwork and date. 14, 10 and 20. Draw a kacha house. Just like hut you can draw. Draw a kacha house. Kacha. Kacha house. Draw a kacha house. At first you will draw a kacha house, okay? And color. Color part is your homework, okay? Color part you will do as a homework and draw big size house. Not a very small size house you will draw. You will draw kacha house, a big size kacha house. Just like hut you can draw. Thereafter, I'll give some questions on it. At first, you will take the place and draw a kacha house. Draw a kacha house and color. Color part you will do as a homework. Okay? Thereafter, some questions are on it. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Houses are made up houses are made up of dash, straw, dash, leaves. They are called dash. Answer you will write down in your copy. It is not the book work. The My Home chapter is given page number 45. Already it is going on. So that's why I am giving some work from it. One fill in the blanks is here. Houses are made up of dash, straw, dash leaves, they are called dash house. You will draw a kacha house by yourself, okay? Okay, do the work at first. Fill in the blanks, and houses are made up of dash straw dash leaves, they are called dash house. Answer is ready? Yes, this is kacha house, Aradha. Okay, very good. So now I can fill in the blanks. Draw this one. So houses are made up of, first is mud, thereafter straw, then bamboo, B-A-M-B-O-O, bamboo leaves, they are called kacha house. Kacha spelling you will write down, house is already written here. K-A-C-H-C-H-A, kacha house. Okay? You will draw the house also, okay? Just like this, you can draw a kacha house. It is very easy for you, I know that, because you know how to draw kacha house. A heart you can draw, okay? Devdeep completed? Now shall I erase this board? Again so many. Yes, questions are there. So now I erase this board here today. Okay, now I'll just keep this one. Okay, fill in the blanks. You will do this one. Okay. Okay. Now we'll complete. Yes, kindly everyone switch off your camera, otherwise nobody can see. Made up of mud, straw, bamboo, leaves, they are called kacha house. live. We live in a dash. Too much problem. Okay, everybody will switch off the camera, otherwise nobody can see the board properly. I have a request to everybody. Kindly switch off your camera, otherwise nobody can see the board properly. We live in a, yes, correct, very good. In a house. Excellent. So House. Number 3. There are dash types of houses. There are dash types of houses. Dash house, and dash house. Yes, very good. Not 3, beta. Abrodeep, there are how many type of houses? Already it is in your book. How many? 2 types of houses. Yes. Now you are correct. 2 types of houses. No, now write down here 2 types of houses. Yes, everybody are also write down Kacha and Pakka. Okay, you will take your time and write neat and cleanly. No problem. Poonam, show me your face once. After many days, I'll see your face. So many are here now. Oh, you can't see the board properly? Clearly, okay? Okay, now I'll explain this one. Sharanya, you will just follow this one. Number 2, we live in a house. We live in a house. There are dash types of houses. There are dash types of houses. Number 3. Number 4, dash house and dash house. You will also not see the board properly. Kindly everybody will switch off your camera. Other than nobody will see the board clearly. Oh, hi. You completed your work, Poonam? All of you completed your work? Okay, I'll see this. You can't see the board proper. Thank you. I'll see this one. See this matter. Okay, I'll see this matter. Okay, everybody will mute your audio also. So they can't see the or they can hear the voice properly. They are telling already. Hello, it is many of them. Kindly switch off your camera, other than nobody can see the board properly. Now it is clear, everybody? Okay. Many sounds are coming from other side, so that's why. Yes. Oh, yes. Microphone, kindly mute, everybody. Microphone mute. Otherwise, nobody can see or hear it properly. Maybe now it is okay. Oh, you can't see it properly. So there are two types of houses, kacha house and pakka house. Already you? Yes? Yes? Clear? Now it is visible. Okay, now it is visible. So kacha house and pakka house. Now I'll write down this kacha house and pakka house. K-A-C-H-C-H-A. Kacha house and pakka house. So P-U-C-C-A. So kacha house and pakka house. Okay? So there are two types of houses, kacha house and pakka house. Okay. This board work up to this much today. Next I'll ask you some oral question again. Okay. Now you will tell me, we live in house, that we human being are live in house. So where the wild animals live in? Where the wild animals live in? Wild animals live in where? Give me the answer in the chat box. Yes, this is also where the wild animals live in, or where live in the wild animals. Very good. Everybody are writing jungle and forest. All are excellent. Very good. Okay, jungle or forest, very good. Now I'll erase this one. Now I'll give some oral option. You will write down the correct, or tell me the correct one. Okay. House protect us from heat, or house protect us from heat or from tree. Which one is correct? House protect us from heat or tree? Heat or tree? Which one is correct? House protect us from heat or tree? Which one will be the correct answer? Yes, this will be the correct. Yes, heat. It is the correct answer. So Kacha house made up mud or brick. Kacha house made up with mud or brick. Mud or bricks? Yes, wow, everybody giving me the good answers. Very good. All of you are very good. Very good. Now, I'll give the spellings to you. You will just write down the spellings. Okay? Very good. Now, this portion is over. Now, you will write down the spellings. Just you will write down at first rain spelling. Rain spelling you will write down. Okay, rain. Very good. Everybody are writing. So, everybody, I hope all you learn these type of spellings. Yes, rain. Everybody are writing the excellent answer. Very good. Next, wow. Clap for you. Now, next you will write down the spelling storm. Storm. Write down the answer. Storm. Okay, Sharonna, I'll do this one. Okay. Okay, very good. Storm. It is okay, very good. Now you will write down the answer. Thieves. Write down the answer. Thieves. Thieves. Okay. Very very good. Now, next you will, very good everybody, all you are giving me the right answer. Now, the next is wood. Wood. Write down the answer, wood. Wood, you will write down. Wood. Okay, everybody are writing wood. Okay, very good. Now, so everybody, I hope all you enjoy this class for today up to this much. Next day again we will meet with new more activities. So till now, tata for today. Love you all of you. Hope you will enjoy the day. Tata.